Hi guys, Arnav here,
My name is Jimmy.
and welcome to 5 to 9, where young professionals like me bring our leaders from NCS to join us for the hobbies we love to play after work.
And today we are playing football.
So let's go. So Jimmy, what do you do usually after work from 5 to 9?
I spend a lot of time with my kids. I have 3 boys. I bring them out to the beach, teach them how to cycle and play games
Oh wow,
and
okay.
sports as well.
Have they tried playing football?
My elder son, Isaac, I'm getting him started on football.
Yep.
So it's a good team sport. He learned to play with his friends, learned about unity and playing together as a team. But most importantly, he learned footwork as well, right? That's important for all sports.
Yeah. So should we try some football and maybe start with warm-ups?
Sounds good.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. So Arnav, how do you get into football?
I've been playing football since I was very young. So my dad used to bring me for a lot of trainings. I joined external clubs and eventually I played for Singapore League under 14 for Warriors. So yeah.
Wow,
Yep.
Singapore League. What's your usual routine like?
So after work is usually meet friends or play some sports. I also play tennis and badminton. But I think football has been a bigger focus of my life. So I'm just trying to get better at it and play more regularly.
Very nice.
So now we'll be doing some obstacle courses. So we'll be doing passing, shooting and dribbling. And then towards the end, we'll try to combine all of them and see how you can perform all 3 of them together. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, GB. So the first obstacle course is dribbling. So you
Okay.
see all these cones here, right? You'll
Yep.
be dribbling the ball across these cones. And the
Okay.
objective is to keep the ball as close to your feet as you can.
Sounds good.
Right? So you up for the challenge?
Sure.
Okay, let's do it.
Thank you.
So you'll see I'll go from here, okay? I'll roll the ball, I'll stop the ball from here, then use my right leg again, push it out, stop the ball, roll it here, push it here, and then go. So it's as simple as that.
All right,
okay?
thank you.
So let's see how you do it.
Looks easy. Looks easy.
Focus on your keeping the ball as close as you can to your feet.
The
Yeah,
control,
perfect.
right?
Very good. Yeah, very good. Yeah, perfect. You do high five.
All right.
Okay, so there are 2 basic kicks. The first one is hitting with your inner foot and the other one is the laces.
Okay.
And when you approach to hit a football, right, your left leg should be pointing straight right next to the football. So
Okay.
that way you can aim.
Okay.
So let me show you how you do it.
Nice one.
Would you like to try some shooting?
Yes, please.
Okay, here you go. You can use your inner foot and go for the shot.
Okay.
Excellent shot.
Thank you.
Okay, so Jimmy, are you ready for the next challenge?
Sure.
Yeah, so we'll be combining dribbling with shooting. So it's the same drill, focusing on keeping the ball as close to your feet, dribble, and then touch the ball and go for a shot.
Okay, let's
okay?
try.
So I'll show you how to do it. Okay.
Nice.
Yep, look up, look up. It's good, it's good. This way, this way. Yes, and I'll take a shot. Wow, perfect. Very good. Okay, Jimmy, so now we are up for the fun part. We'll be learning some cool football tricks. So how it works, we'll be putting the ball between 2 of our feet. We'll be jumping, and with the left foot, we'll try to hit the ball so that it goes over our head. So it forms like a rainbow.
Wow.
So that's where the name of the trick comes from.
Looks complicated.
It is, but let me show you how it goes like. So it goes like this.
Wow.
Okay, so now it's your turn to try.
Very nice one.
Here you go.
Thank
Try
you.
to clip the ball and
Sure.
then do it slow and let's see how it goes. Oh my god!
Not bad, right? So Arnav, what's your favorite goal?
My favorite goal probably will be scoring the last minute winner for my hall. So it was a 19th minute goal and was a volley. So we won the game 2-1. So that is something
Wow.
still very special to me.
Wow.
Yep. And how about you? If I could ask you what's the best moment from your career, if you could pick one, what would it be?
I think it was when I took on my current role as the Global Services Lead for NCS. So when I took on the role last year, it was a big challenge. And I think the excitement and the challenge is still there and I love it.
Wow, very inspiring.
Yeah.
So Jimmy, how was the experience so far? Any obstacle course you found tough?
It was very good for me. The dribbling was a bit hard, but I think that getting the control of the ball in place is important. Don't kick it too hard. Get a feel of the ball and move it around.
Yeah, and I think you managed to keep the ball close to your feet, so I think that's very good for dribbling. And for NCS, are there any opportunities to play football or any other sports?
Oh yes, last year we had the inaugural Unity Games.
Oh wow.
Out of the 8 games, football is probably one of the most popular one. So it really brings the whole company together.
Sounds very fun. Looking forward to join it next time.
And yourself, do you play with any of our colleagues?
Yes, but mostly on the weekends outside, so not really within the company. But I think, as you mentioned, Unity Games is a pretty good opportunity, so I'll be looking forward for that next year.
So Arnav, how do you make time for football after work?
Yeah, so I try to play football at least twice a week. And usually we try to book a course near our place or go down and play it on my blog. So yeah, I mean, it's difficult, but if you can try to take out time at least twice a week, then I think it's very fun. And also it's a good balance between work and football on its own.
Nice, very
Yeah.
nice.
So if I can ask you from today's session, what has been your greatest takeaway?
I think besides learning the techniques of dribbling and the fancy rainbow kick, I thought it's a good chance for me to know about football and about you.
Right.
I'm glad to have connected with a young talent
Oh.
out in NCS, and really good to see how you enjoy your work and life after work as well.
Yeah, but I think it was a very good experience for me also to mentor and coach someone who I'm good at. So yeah, I think it also gives me confidence to continue coaching, and hopefully I can train others also to become a better footballer. So thank you for the opportunity also.
No, thank you. I hope that today's tricks that I learned, I will bring it back to my kids as well. So I think Isaac will love the rainbow kick.
Wow, looking forward to seeing the video of him doing it.
I will show you next time.
So Jimmy, hope you had fun today.
I had a lot of fun. I really enjoyed myself.
That's great. See you again.
Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.